Everything explained in this video is summarized from the CoinMarketCap. And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for future XRP news and some other cryptocurrency news in general. Now, take a look at this. Ripple says Ripple Labs stablecoin is ready for deployment, reveals major cause of delay. Before we move further, there is a new crypto airdrop now taking place on Telegram, which is about to launch anytime soon. Please make sure you participate in this airdrop. The link is in the description of the video. Don't miss out on this. Now let's continue with our video. Monica Long, the president of the firm, has provided some insights into the function that the stablecoin plays in Ripple's operations. She has highlighted the synergy that the stablecoin has with XRP, as well as the potential influence that it might have on users and developers within the ecosystem. According to Long, the rationale for the creation of Ripple Lab stablecoin is to improve Ripple's payment system by providing an alternative to the company's native token, TYP. While the token continues to play an important part in facilitating low liquidity currency transfers quickly and affordably, Ripple Lab stablecoin offers stability by limiting the risk associated with the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Additionally, users will be able to hold tokenized US dollars and exchange them directly on the XRP ledger thanks to the stablecoin. Those customers who place a higher value on regularity than swings in the market would benefit from this feature, which provides them with greater flexibility. In addition, Long noted that Ripple Lab stablecoin would entice developers to work on the XRPL by providing them with the opportunity to construct decentralized finance systems that are more useful and scalable. Continuous contributions made by Ripple to the blockchain payment system. It is clear that Ripple is a dominant player in the digital payment industry, since it has completed more than $70 billion worth of blockchain transactions. Long noted that XRP would continue to be an essential component of the operations of the XRPL, particularly for international transactions using illiquid currencies, even though Ripple Lab stablecoin is going to expand Ripple's ecosystem significantly. To cater to the varied requirements of Ripple's customers, it is anticipated that the two assets would collaborate concerning the priorities of stability and regulation. Long emphasized the significance of not just complying with regulations, but also maintaining financial stability to successfully launch a stablecoin. Significant actions have been taken by Ripple to conform to these criteria. These actions include the acquisition of standard custody and the possession of a license that was awarded by the New York Department of Financial Services. That RLUSD is completely backed by reserves is one of the stringent conditions that have for stablecoin issuance, and this license guarantees that it satisfies those standards. Ripple is still awaiting regulatory authorization before launching the stablecoin, whereas Ripple Lab stablecoin is ready to be put into operation. By taking such a cautious approach, the corporation demonstrates its dedication to transparency and its adherence to the criteria set forth by regulatory agencies. Ripple intends to establish the new currency as a frontrunner in the rapidly expanding stablecoin industry, which is anticipated to reach a value of $3 trillion within the next 5 years. It has been observed for a long time that Ripple's customers in regions such as Asia Pacific, Europe, and Australia have a significant need for stablecoins. To Ripple's overarching objective to broaden its range of financial products while preserving the vital function that XRP plays in its operations, the incorporation of this asset is a step in the right direction. Ripple's goal is to be able to serve a wider variety of customers and applications inside the blockchain realm by providing a stablecoin in addition to its original token. Ripple, a crypto payments fintech company, has revealed that it has begun testing its stablecoin. Additionally, the company has laid out crucial facts in a dedicated webpage and blog post. This comes after Ripple had previously announced that it was preparing to launch such a launch. Ripple Lab stablecoin is now in its beta phase, and the business has stated that it is being rigorously tested on the two blockchains that it will originally be issued on. However, it is not yet available for purchase or trading. RippleUS is a stablecoin that is issued by Standard Custody, a trust company, which Ripple completed the acquisition of in June. RippleUS is expected to enter a market that is already fairly crowded with USD dollar pegged stablecoins, but it is characterized as purpose-built for payments, which will augment Ripple's wider offerings in the space of cross-border payments. This is a pretty significant strategic move for us, stated David Schwartz, Chief Technology Officer of Ripple. During a talk regarding the premiere of the podcast Block Stars that the business produces, XRP fiat currency, and stablecoins are the assets that we include in Ripple payments. For some time, we have utilized a combination of assets and things like on-demand liquidity to provide our clients with the greatest possible experience. We've integrated those into cross-border solutions. Additionally, we have observed a desire for stablecoin distributions in several emerging economies as an alternative to the use of local fiat money. This comes at a time when Ripple is attempting to re-engage with some segments of the business that deal with cross-border payments, particularly in the United States. Following the filing of a lawsuit by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in late 2020 about the question of whether or not the firm's crypto asset XRP was an unregistered securities, the company experienced a decline in the support it received from the sector. Previously, the company was hailed as a vital player in the future development of the area. Ripple received a partial victory when the court issued a split decision last week, just 2 days before it revealed that it had begun testing Ripple Labs stablecoin. The court's decision was significant since it ruled that XRP was not a security and ordered Ripple to pay $125 million in fines linked to early sales. This amount is far less than the $2 billion that the SEC had demanded. Ripple has already started to re-engage with the cross-border payments market, particularly in the United States, where just 10% of its company is situated at the moment. This is in response to the possibility that it may face a future that is not influenced by the litigation. Currently, the corporation holds a relatively small portion of the flows in the market for international payments that are made across borders. In a letter that Patron has sent to Chris Spencer, the executive director of the Florida State Board of Administration, he mentioned that Bitcoin is sometimes referred to as digital gold and that it could help diversify the state's portfolio, while also providing a secure hedge against the volatility of other major asset classes. The chief financial officer of the state may be correct, as Bitcoin has been demonstrated to be a potentially beneficial portfolio diversifier. This is especially true when Bitcoin is used to traditional portfolios that allocate 60% of their assets to equities and 40% to bonds, which is referred to as the 60 to 40 portfolio. The head of research at market maker GS, Brian Rudick, told Cointelegraph that according to a study that the company did, a small Bitcoin allocation has historically had a material positive impact on a standard 60-80 portfolio's Sharpe ratio. This was stated in the findings of the previous study. William Sharpe, an economist, was the first person to invent the Sharpe ratio, which is a metric that is used to analyze the risk-adjusted return of an investment after it was originally developed in 1966. The information that has been provided is not intended to be trading advice. There is no responsibility for any investments that are made based on the information that is provided on this page. Before making any decision about investments, we strongly advise conducting independent research and consulting with a knowledgeable professional.